about St. Barnabas Health System in the heart of my district. A hospital that has 70% of the people that go to it are Medicaid patients. They will see a great increase in the amount of money that goes into that hospital, and it will become a stable hospital as opposed to one that needs help from the state all of the time. So all of this that's up here are just all the misinformation that's happening out there. This is the reason why every single one of you is so important. Because when you talk to your family members, to your neighbors, to people at work, you can actually tell them about the facts of the current system, how much it is broken, and how much we need for it to be fixed. We have an option here. We're going to make sure that we continue to push it forward. We would not be able to get to this point. We would not have this beautiful truck here. And it is beautiful. I mean, it's lying to us, but it's beautiful. And we would not have this beautiful truck here unless we were winning. So let's continue the push. Let's continue the push. And ladies and gentlemen, I would not be able to be here not only without you, but also without my colleague in the assembly who has been fighting for this for a long time, and that is my good colleague, Assemblymember Dick Godfrey. Love this truck.
Well, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So, yeah, I was going to go through what's on this truck, but Gustavo did a pretty darn good job of it. What you don't see on this list is the millions of New Yorkers who have health coverage, who every year go without health care because they can't afford it or face serious financial hardship, including going bankrupt in order to get it, and those are people who have health coverage. What you don't see on this sign is the Gallup survey that finds that a third of American households in any given year have at least one household member who goes without health care, usually for a serious condition, because they can't afford it. And almost all of those households are people who have health coverage. What you don't see listed here is the fact that healthcare costs are the leading cause of personal bankruptcy in this country. What you don't see on this truck is the families who need long-term care for a family member, and it wipes out a lifetime of savings. Or a member of the family, and in our culture it's usually a woman, who gives up a career and a large part of her life to stay home and take care of a family member. Because the health insurance companies that paid for this truck don't provide coverage for long-term care, but the New York Health Act will. That's
They don't provide